Alright guys, welcome back. We're finishing up the 331 build there, but before I put that in there, I wanted to change the exhaust, and I've always wanted to put these on a stock 302. It's just got a cam in it. I just want to see what it sounded like. I love these mufflers and how they sound on just about everything, so you can kind of see the circular pattern in there. I think that's where they get the name Spintech. It gives them a really nice sound, so I'm gonna get them put on here. And right now I got Flow Monster single chambers, which are pretty much like a Super 10, so let's get those taken off, and I got some new flow tubes and stuff for these, and we'll get those put up in there. Let's get to work. So this is the setup that's on there currently. It's it's an off-road stainless H pipe, 2.5 inch, and then it goes into those 2.5 inch flow tubes, into those 2.5 inch Flow Monster single chamber mufflers, and I just got some turn downs there. So I'll do some a couple videos of before what it sounded like, and then after with the Spintechs. So let's get these taken off and get those Spintechs tacked up so we can get them welded. And what I'll probably do is leave them just open for now after the muffler, and then I want to put the tailpipes back on. I got some 2.5 inch stainless tailpipes that I'm going to put back on, so I'll do two sound comparisons with and without tailpipes too. So let's get back to work. Alright, so here is what it's looking like. Got the flow tubes. I use the same ones every time. They're from SMR. I think you get them from Late Model Restoration, and it makes it really easy just to swap mufflers and stuff, because they're the same. I'm going to put them up in there just to make sure before I tack them in. Make sure you put your flanges on before you tack them, or else you're going to be cutting them off and putting them on later. So let's get these things up there and we can get them tacked, and got some hangers to weld on there, and we'll just be about done there. Alright, well there's the finished product for now. I'm going to try it like this for a little while. You just see they're welded to the flow tubes there, and then I'm just using those hangers in the stock location. And then I'm going to run it like this. I'll do some sound clips, and then I have some 2.5 inch tailpipes that I'm going to fit up to there. So then we'll see how those sound. But let's get off the jack stands and we'll do a cold start, see how she sounds. Here we go. that's it. I did the comparison videos. They sound kind of similar. The Spintechs are definitely more aggressive. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but you can definitely tell in person. I'm really happy with it. So with that being said, I'm going to give these away to a subscriber that comments down below on a muffler they want to see me try on this car next. You know, right now it's 302 with a B cam. By the time I get some mufflers and do another set, might have the 331 in it, so it'll definitely sound different. But the next video I'm gonna do tailpipes on this, and then from there, you know, we can try different mufflers. So comment down below on a muffler you want me to try on here. Might be what would it be, like a Black Widow or something. Definitely something aggressive, not anything quieter. So don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And like I said, I'm gonna pick a comment down below randomly, and I'll get in touch with them and I'll ship these out to you, and we'll try the mufflers that you commented down below. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.